Hi guys, Ross saw VDM video. Okay, he said lots of the things about Ross, but Ross never posted a bad word against him because he's too young, 30 years old, right? He's too young. So about the whole thing is very simple. I invite VDM come to visit China. I pay all the expenses. Okay, so I paid $15,000 for that money, small change for his laptop and the phones. I paid.
Welcome to Igbo History TV. If this is the first time you are coming across this channel, please do well by subscribing to our YouTube channel. Turn on the notification icon for more updates. Very dark man, the business counterpart, business partner, Rose Used Clothing has come out to narrate his encounter with VDM. From what he said, I will play the video for you. From what the man said, I'm beginning to find out that this VDM has a problem. He has a very deep, maybe spiritual problem. He's always had problem with all the people he does business with. Maybe he doesn't keep secret. There is something wrong with this guy called VDM. He's a very big manipulator. He went to China to to do business. Maybe he was paid by this man. According to the video, this man paid VDM to come and do advert for him. VDM went there to talk down on his fellow Nigerian people that are doing the same business because this man paid him. Now everything has been exposed. After making that post, which VDM, after making that post that any business you do with this man is at your own peril. Maybe he has fallen with the man. Maybe because he has fallen with the man, maybe the man didn't pay up, or maybe the man didn't. I don't know. I want you to watch the video and hear from the horse's mouth what really happened, how this man, and tell us how this man really wronged the VDM, or maybe tell us whether na this man long VDM or na VDM long am, because I don't know wetin happen. You went to China to do business, to do advert for the man. After everything, you are telling people that you do not trust the man. What kind of talk is that? You know say you no trust am, why you go there to do the advert? Or maybe you say you no like money, you be saint. Uh, I don't know whether this guy dey have how many tongue wey this very dark man has. I want my fellow Igbo people to be very careful of this guy. Everybody should be very careful of him. He's not a good person. Based on what is going on now, based on what is unfolding, that this guy called very dark man is not. Should be very. If anybody doing business with him should be very careful of him, because it's not somebody that you should trust. VDM lacks integrity. He's not somebody you should trust. He had business with Davido. He followed with him. Had business with many other uncountable of them. He followed with all of them. Who is the problem? There's an Igbo adage that said you went to a K market and fight, you went to a market and fight, you went to a for market and fight. Are you the problem, or are those people you are fighting with the problem? That means you are the problem, because you can't be fighting with everybody. Anybody you had business with, you must fight with that person. That shows that you lack integrity. And you went on to talk down on and spoil the image of other people doing the same business just because you are paid to do advert for that man. Now you went there to blackmail other ones, blackmail Bill Lord and co. Well, I want you to drop your comments on the comment section and tell us what you think about this. Thank you.
Hi guys, Ross saw VDM video. Okay, he said lots of the things about Ross, but Ross never posted a bad word against him because he's too young, 30 years old, right? He's too young. So about the whole thing is very simple. I invite VDM come to visit China. I pay all the expenses. Okay, so I paid $15,000 For that money, small change, for his laptop and the phones, I pay. And for his clothes, I pay. Okay, and the flight ticket, I pay. And the hotels, everything, I pay. I keep my word, I already paid, right? So, but it look like VDM don't like it. So, brother VDM, if you don't like it, throw it away. For your clothes, for your glasses, that glasses is $200, one pair. $200. Okay, and your shoes, more than $300. More than that, you can throw it away. Understand? I don't want to see that in your video. Okay. And somebody say, "Hey Ross, you scam Nigeria sisters." And the VDM gave everybody the screenshot. There is so many Ross boss page, and VDM tell you guys, "Oh, Ross have 15 accounts. I saw his phones." Okay, so why Ross you want to get 15 accounts? But when I search VDM every document, I found that you get more accounts than Ross, more than 30. Can you explain to me? You know, everybody knows that's the fake one. You know, I know. So why you say that's a fake account belong to me? And many people use your picture and video and make you same name. You tell everybody that is the fake account. Is that fair? It's not fair. Okay. And about you tell everybody that Ross scammer you Nigeria sister. How much are scammer? Okay. Ross sell full container to Nigeria. Yeah, when customer want to buy from Ross, they will come to my factory. So if your sister lose too much money at Ross place, it's so easy. You know, fly to China and call the policeman. Policeman will catch Ross and put me in jail for more than 3 years. Why you don't do it? Why he should complain to you? Who are you? Who are you? You are the judge. When you catch by EFCC, I shout. I say, VDM, okay, release VDM, because no judge. Why the EFCC put a crime name on you? So why you put the scammer name on Ross? Let me ask you. Yeah, my English is not quite good. Let me ask you. Okay, brother VDM, you are too young. Okay, we don't have the program for that. So if about you complaining, I use your influence to promote my products. Okay, this misunderstanding I understand, because I post your video. I'm the businessman. Definitely, I use your influence to promote my products. And I don't want to do that, but I post. But if you say that I scam your sisters, okay, you should be very careful about this issue. You know, maybe it's a spoil your name. Not only spoil your name, it will cause the problem, okay, to your Chinese sisters. I already message you, okay. But what you complaining to me is so different with the one you post online. So that is Mr. Ross tell you post 10 video. Tell everybody Ross do some very bad things, criminal things. Do it. Okay. Do it. So I don't understand. I didn't make one coin from you. Did I make one coin from you? Nothing, right? I spent $15,000. Right? So Africa brothers, if Ross want to spend like $50,000, buy your ticket, okay, and arrange the star hotels and buy everything for you. Can you come visit Mr. Ross? Can you make a business with Mr. Ross? So if you are not satisfied about how Mr. Ross treat my friend and customer, okay, so do not follow Ross. Very serious issue. Like what I'm saying, I didn't make one coin from VDM. I didn't make one coin. If VDM shout 10 times, say, Ross, I like Ross, I like Ross, you cannot bring me one coin. But if you shout 10 videos, say, I don't trust Ross, Ross is this, Ross is that, I cannot lose one coin. You got me? That is I short this video. You are too young. Understand? So do not put the bad things on somebody's head. Yeah, please. Yeah. I hope you can shoot 10 video to fight with me.